So besides the roadmaps, we can also create these top-down. So not another thing, but similar to the timeline that you saw in the portfolio. This means we can go into a technology roadmap, and from the top here, be able to create almost like a swim lane chart where we have the technology roadmap. You can create other roadmaps as well, and have different swim lanes, and expand these, and then see different items underneath each. And this information that you put into these containers can be whatever you want. So if I click, for instance, add not lane, but lane item, I can select from what we have in Power PPM. Let's say you want to add the project we just did, which is the webcast project 123. We can select this and hit save, and that will now add it into this track called technology. So it shows up right here. Really cool. You can color different ways that you want to. You can also change the lanes as well, like this, and go in and adjust the start and end date for these lanes, or the color of these, or the name, and so forth. So a simple way to create top-down, for instance, technology or transformation roadmaps.